Is this a warning to the US? The creepy moment: thousands of birds flying over New York merge to form Vladimir Putin's face. Sheryl Gilbert captured flock of undulating birds moving across the sky. Recorded it as she crossed the Williamsburg Bridge in Brooklyn this week. The 11-second clip has attracted more than 1 million views on YouTube. Caught eye of Russian TV channel who spotted striking resemblance to Putin. This is the creepy moment: thousands of birds flying over New York merge to form the face of Vladimir Putin. Like something out of Hitchcock's The Birds, Sheryl Gilbert captured the flock of undulating birds moving across the sky as she crossed the Williamsburg Bridge in Brooklyn last week. With the Manhattan Bridge visible in the background, the Russian leader's face is visible for just a split second in the brief clip filmed from a tourist bus.